Good morning. Hannah and Jack went on a wine tour, but I couldn't be bothered. I just wanted to mong out and sunbathe, to be honest. So I'm just gonna go do that. It's already 1 o'clock. I've just sat and edited for a while and watched some YouTube videos, so we are drinking. Hannah and Jack just came back from the Pisco tour. He smashed. Hannah was with her boyfriend again.
No, I wasn't.
And now
I was driving the van. I didn't have a choice.
And now we're all drinking Pisco sours, but I've just spotted a dog and it's got a jacket on. So I'm gonna go touch it. Hi, puppy. Hi. Do you support Peru? Because you have a Peru jumper on. Hey. Bye bye.
Con tu perrito, mira, tómate foto, porque te vayas a Nueva York.
Oh my god.
I physically cannot.
I'm dead. I've passed away, deceased. Here I am.
Pobrecito.
A la señora de allá de limpieza que lo regalaron.
Ay, no. Vamos a mi casa. Sí, yo sé. Está con frío, mira.
So the three of these guys have just ordered espresso martinis. How is it?
Oh mate, it's like a nun's nasty. What do you reckon? Go. That's espresso martini.
Delicious.
And these guys are from New York, so they know what a real martini's like.
This is it. This is the best it's getting. Okay, well, we are going on a secret night buggy. We've got a gang of people and we're going for a buggy tour for sand dunes. So I'm excited. I forgot to pee though, and we've all been drinking quite a lot. So I'm definitely going to be peeing in the sand dunes.
Yeah, of course you would.
She's going to be sitting next to her boyfriend.
I forgot we're just trying to go on the date.
Look at that sunset.
Buggy would be nuts.
Who would have thought alcohol and a random dune buggy ride would be so much fun?
Oh my, I can't believe I drank so much.
Got it.
Go for it, go for it. Look at the sunset.
Oh, he's just running.
Oh, nice.
Is it wrong?
Oh no, it's gone.